Are you struggling with pastel, or do you love pastel work? Or you are artist but your pastel work not really giving you what you really want, and you want to take your pastel to the next level? Then welcome to the Dasunnex art and tutorial. Here I do pastel work, both painting and charcoal drawing. So if it's your first time coming across this page or channel, subscribe and watch till the end. No knowledge is wasted. With the little experience I have with pastel, and my pastel skills can help you improve on your pastel and take your pastel journey to the next level. So come with me as we dive into this amazing tutorial class. In this particular drawing is the drawing of Ebelechi Eze, Arsenal new signing. When I look at this picture, I was really inspired because of the side view and the dreadlocks it carry. I decided to use my charcoal and my pastel to create something out of the picture. So starting this drawing was really amazing. The experience I had in the drawing really give me a lot of confidence and courage, because here the stroke of the brush, everything here counts. So as an upcoming artist, all I can advise you is that keep creating. You never know. It's not what you start today, but it's where you are going that really matter. If I do work today like this and people are telling me that, man, your art is good, I believe you too, you can do it. So this is pastel and charcoal drawing. You can see the black and white and the colored. So if you like this drawing, subscribe and hit the notification bell and follow me for more. So today's class will come to an end. See you in my next video. Hope you learn something. Help me to share it and invite people that have interest in art and learning to watch. With this tutorial, we can help you improve in your tutorial and to become a better artist. Love you. Thank you. That's our next art. See you in my next. Come with me as we go into this tutorial. If you're the type that are having issues with your pastel and you don't know how to go about it, welcome to the Dasunnex art. Here I explain basically the tools I use in making my artwork look like this. I'm the type of artist that I love brightening artworks. So no matter how it is, I love my artwork to look more brighter. So stuff like this. So you are welcome to my channel. So hope you like and still. If you have any issue about my works and still want me to explain more, or if there's anything you're finding some difficulties and stuff like that, just let me know. Just hit my comment section, drop your request. If it's something I know that I can put you through or I can explain more, yeah, I'm definitely here to support in little way I can. So as you can see in this work, so it took me like a full day to create artwork like this. So hope you like it and comment, tell me what you think. Share it, invite anybody that love art and follow my channel or my Facebook page. So hope you learn something today for this art class today. So let me know your thought on this art piece. Hope is world sharing. So see you in my next video. Much love.